Hey guys, it's Moda Life and I'm Mariah, and today I'll be showing you how to make a PITAYA bowl with only 3 ingredients. Not only are PITAYA bowls so good, but they're also really pretty too. I've tried the acai bowls and I'm not sure. Like, I don't really like it. It had like a floral taste the last time I tried it. I don't know if that was just where I went or if that's how they're supposed to taste, but I really wasn't a fan. When I found out I could do a PITAYA bowl with dragon fruit and it would look fuchsia pink, I was down. So I got these packets, which makes making this so much easier, of dragon fruit. So it calls for 2 of these. So you can just get these at your, local food mart. I got these at Giant, I believe. Yeah, I got these at Giant. You're going to need a half a cup of mangoes. They also called for a banana, but I don't really like how bananas overpower food. So I'm going to leave that out. And then lastly, you will need a half a cup or 4 ounces of apple juice, they said, but I rather use this white grape juice. Sometimes I actually use, sorry, let me just make sure this measurement is accurate. Oh, chickens. Spill on aisle 3. Okay, so you're gonna need 4 ounces or a half a cup of a juice of your choice. So it can be apple juice, it could be grape juice, it can be strawberry juice, any of those kind of things you can use. But I usually use vanilla almond milk. That's what I like. But I thought to make it a little sweeter today, I would use the white grape juice from Welch's. So thank you, Welch's. So first we're just going to add the juice. Yes. Then, this was like a little big mango, so we'll just do that first. Then I'm going to add the mango, and then we're going to add the smoothie mix, and they come in these cute little packages. Oh, and they have nutrition facts. Let's not ruin it. Let's not ruin it with the calories. Oh, this is very hard. Okay. It says 2 of these? That seems like a lot to me, but you know what? I didn't make the rules, so we're gonna go with it. I've done it before with only 1 of these packets and it's been fine, but I'm gonna see if what they say is better. It's definitely probably gonna be sweeter, but I also took out one of the ingredients, banana, so. It also said that you can add strawberries and berries instead of mangoes, but who doesn't love mangoes? I don't know anyone who doesn't like mango. So let's see. Gonna put my little top on. All you're gonna do is put in the blender your Bella, your Bullet, whatever you have in the house, and then you're gonna add those ingredients. If we can get this top to turn. Okay. Shake it up. Oh, look at that. It already looks pretty. Like, I'm excited. Okay. Kind of like keep on shaking it up. I see getting frothy. And it's a frothy little bubble. Okay. Looks good to me. Look at how pretty. Like, can you guys see how pretty this color is? Not only is it great, it's pretty. Okay. Like, come on. Come on now. You move all this stuff out of the way. Well, yeah, it's happening, guys. Sorry. It's a whole mess there. Shake it out. Oh, this could serve too, almost. That's cool. Yes! Ah! I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased with this. Alright, now what I like to do, I like to add a few toppings. So I got a little bit of coconut, a little coconut shaving just to add, and a few pecans. I'm a fan. Well, I'm gonna add a few more. For a little protein, a little bit more coconut. Ah, yes. So there you go, guys. Can you see that? It's so perfect. Okay, so anyway, that's the way how you make, that's the way. Hey guys, this is how you make a PITAYA bowl with only 3 ingredients. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at @IamMariahGabrielle. Don't forget to like this video, and please leave a comment below of what you want to see me do next. Bye!